Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video we're going to be removing these two intake manifolds. They're bad, we're replacing them. We need to get down to the oil cooler seals and replace those, which is going to be a separate video. In the last video I removed the entire wiring harness from this engine, which is no joke. There's 48 connections that are made, 46 of them that has to do with sensors and all the other controlling systems, but let's just say sensors, everything that's electronically controlled. And then there was two ground connections, but anyways, we have a lot to do here, guys. So if you have any questions about 3.0 liter diesel engine, or the oil cooler gaskets, or like any kind of things like that, whatever, with the Sprinter that you have, you can ask them in the comments below. If I don't get to your question right away, please know I do have memberships, because I do stay pretty busy, and in my memberships you could see that you could buy one for $1.99 per month, cancel anytime, and if you are a member I will answer your questions first. So I guess consider becoming a member, guys. And anyways, we have lots to do. Let's go ahead and actually remove this intake manifolds. Gosh, it already ripped this. Looks like I set this thing up incorrectly. Actually, not me, because I did not install that. It came actually like that from factory, so I gotta put it through the hole. But anyways, that's besides the point. I just noticed it is ripped. But anyways, we need to remove this because this is in the way. Okay, we gotta remove. Now that's a little close. We'll get it with something else. I don't need to remove that, but I might, just to make it easier for myself. It's really hard for me to stay. Last video I was showing all this wiring and I'm like watching where to stop. Not making my job that easy. So it looks like the left side of the engine one has been removed. And now so has the right. I don't know why I didn't jack this up sooner, because this is kind of in my way. I just sort of like left it down at the bottom of there, but now I'm going to raise it all the way up. Hey guys, if you like this video so far, and if you like my videos, you like what I do, please hit a like on my video to let me know that you like what I'm doing. It motivates me to do even more for you guys. I try my best to share as much details as possible when it comes to these sprinters and anything else that I do. I do a lot of different things, but sprinters is kind of, I guess, what I'm known for. That might be high enough. So let's see. So obviously when you're going to be removing it, I could probably guide it out of there, but this thing is in my way. It's just another one of those things. Now the wire we could stick down there, and this one let's go ahead and actually pull this out. I'm gonna lay it down over here, and let's see here. Let's inspect this thing a little bit. Wow, everything's just like so gunked up. So anyways, guys, we're gonna be replacing this with another intake manifolds. That's gonna be for a different video. I want to keep things separated because there's so much to do. But guys, please hit a like on this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.